From Stampark to stardom, the unlikely journey of Orlando Pirates rising star Mbekezeli Mbokazi. At just 19 years old, Mbekezeli Mbokazi has emerged as one of the most promising young defenders in South African football, rising swiftly through the ranks to secure a spot in Orlando Pirates' senior team. But behind his stellar debut and early accolades lies an extraordinary story of a tough love, rural football, and a stamp book that changed the course of his life. Mbokazi announced his arrival in the professional game on 5 March, making his debut in a tightly contested 1-0 Betway Premiership victory over Chippa United. Since then, the centre-back has made only 6 appearances across all competitions, but his impact has been undeniable, with a goal to his name and 3 men of the match performances, including standout displays against heavyweights Mamelodi Sundowns and MC Alger. Mbokazi is fast becoming a key figure in the Buccaneers' defensive setup. His rise, however, didn't begin in the lights of Orlando Pirates Stadium. It started far away in the KwaZulu-Natal, where he honed his raw talent, playing in dusty rural tournaments. In 2023, his abilities caught the attention of Langalibalele Academy, a Durban-based development site preparing for the prestigious Engine Knockout Challenge. But when Mbokazi failed to report to the academy as scheduled, alarm bells rang. Wanda Mnguni, head coach at Langalibalele Academy, recounted the moment of confusion and concern and said when we were supposed to play a friendly ahead of the Engine tournament, he didn't pitch. Mnguni told the Far Post publication and further said, I phoned his uncles and they were shocked. They thought he was already with us in Durban. Instead, Mbokazi had been diverted by local coaches who wanted him to compete in small money rural tournaments. His family, however, had other plans, particularly his uncle, who upon discovering the truth, took drastic action and said he whipped him with a stamp book and told him to go to Durban, where he would get better opportunities. Mnguni said, seeing his talent, we had to try everything to help him, especially knowing the kind of environment he came from. The tough intervention worked. Mbokazi committed fully to the academy, later earning a move to Orlando Pirates' Disc Challenge team. With months, his progress was undeniable, and he was promoted to the first team. Now, just over a year since his rural to professional transition began, Mbokazi is living proof of how raw potential guidance and yes, a bit of old school discipline can forge a future star. As his career continues to take shape, the Buccaneers faithful can expect to see much more of this tenacious young defender. For Mbokazi, the message is clear. Sometimes the path to greatness begins with a painful but necessary push in the right direction. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.